A set-aside in Arizona is one of the ways that you can get your criminal record removed, so that way you no longer have the guilt and the conviction on your record. Now, do you qualify? You must have a misdemeanor or a felony criminal conviction, right? A criminal record, not just an arrest, not a dismissed case. If you have completed all of your punishment with that criminal offense, you've done your probation, you've done your jail, you've paid back all of your fines and fees down to $0, then yay, you now become eligible for a set-aside. The benefits are actually really good with a set-aside. You absolutely should do them if you have any past criminal convictions. Not only does it get rid of the guilt, but this automatically restores your firearm rights and your right to possess a firearm for here in Arizona. So you might think, well, I never even lost my right to have a gun. Well, we still tell people do it just in case, because now you actually have proof that your conviction was set aside. This, of course, has job application benefits, housing benefits. There are things in background checks that will no longer show up due to the set aside being approved. And ultimately, it's one of those things where the conviction is now gone. People don't really care about the fact that you were arrested, the fact that you went to court. They care about the conviction. And there's a ton of federal agencies, especially when it comes to licensing, that they actually look at set-asides as the most powerful thing that Arizona has done. Even when we feel like sealing records is also really good, they care more about the set-aside. So you should absolutely do this if you have a misdemeanor or a felony conviction. Now, of course, there are plenty of charges that do not qualify for this. So think if your case was classified as a dangerous, as a serious, as a sex crimes, then you're not going to be eligible for this. So we'll talk about some other things that you would need to do then.